All right, let's get one thing straight. That daily latte, it's not making you poor. Stop listening to those gurus. They tell you to cut out small joys. That's not how real wealth is built, folks. Ramit Sethi knows this. His book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, flips that script. It's about thinking bigger. Forget about those tiny, insignificant cuts. Ramit's whole philosophy is about focusing on the big wins. Think 5 to 10 things that actually move the needle. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about a massive mindset shift, moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. It's about earning more, not just saving a few pennies here and there. So, what does a rich life even mean? It's not what Instagram influencers show you. Ramit pushes you to define your rich life. This book is your wake-up call. Let's dive into how you can start living your rich life. Now let's talk about spending. Ramit introduces something called conscious spending. The core idea? Spend extravagantly on the things you absolutely love. But here's the flip side, and it's just as important. You have to cut costs mercilessly on things you don't care about. Be ruthless. If it doesn't bring you joy, slash it. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Ramit says, identify those money leaks. Then, redirect that cash. Put it towards what truly excites you. Love high-end coffee? Buy the best beans. Passionate about travel? Save aggressively for that dream trip. This approach eliminates guilt from your spending, because every dollar has a purpose you defined. So how do you make this happen? With a no-guilt budget. Ramit calls it a conscious spending plan. Forget complicated spreadsheets and tracking every penny. He suggests a simple framework. Roughly 60% of your take-home pay covers fixed costs. Then 10% for long-term investments. Another 10% for savings goals. And the best part? 20 to 30% for guilt-free spending money. This isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. That's the power of conscious, intentional spending. Alright, this next part is where the magic really happens. It's automation. Setting up your finances to run themselves. Ramit is huge on this. It's the closest thing to a financial superpower you can get. Think about it, your money working for you 24/7. Without you lifting a finger after the initial setup. This is how you build wealth consistently. No more relying on willpower. First up, automate your savings. Pay yourself first. This is non-negotiable. Before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, before anything. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account. Send it straight to your savings account each payday. Even if it's a small amount to start. Just do it. This money is for your future self. Next, automate your investments. Set up automatic investments into low-cost index funds. Every month, like clockwork. Finally, automate your bill payments. Set up automatic payments for everything. Automation is about creating financial peace of mind. Section 4, Debt Demolition, from crushed by debt to cash-rich living. Let's talk about something that holds so many people back: debt. Credit card debt, student loans, personal loans, it's a killer. Ramit Sethi is very clear on this. Debt is an emergency, especially high-interest debt. It's like a fire, you need to put it out, aggressively. It's actively working against your goal of building wealth. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar not working for you. So it's time to get serious about becoming debt-free. There are a couple of popular strategies for tackling debt. Ramit discusses both the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method, you pay off the smallest debts first. This gives you quick psychological wins. The avalanche method, you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first. Mathematically, this saves you more money in the long run. Sometimes the psychological boost is worth more. Don't just passively pay your debts, get proactive. Call your credit card companies. The feeling of becoming debt-free, it's incredible. Section 5. Investing 101, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every time. Okay, let's get to the exciting part, investing. This is how you truly grow your money over the long term. And no, investing isn't just for rich old guys in suits. It's for everyone, especially you. And the earlier, the better. Ramit stresses that you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need a ton of money. What you need is to start. Imperfect action is key. Waiting for the perfect time or enough knowledge is a trap. The most powerful force in your investing journey? Compound interest. It's your money making money. And then, that money making more money. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. This is why starting early, even with small amounts, is so critical. So how do you actually start investing? keep it simple. Ramit is a huge fan of low-cost index funds or ETFs. These funds hold a basket of stocks like the S&P 500, so you're instantly diversified. You can set up an account with a brokerage like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. The biggest mistake people make with investing? Not starting.